Rene here and welcome back to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to kick it with me. So today I'm going to show you how to do this cool braided style I have here. Boom, boom. So if you want to see how I did it, be sure to stay tuned.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're here for another edition of Soup and Stuff. Today we are dining on a little Sauvignon Blanc. If you're ready, let's jump right into the tutorial.
Hey guys, so y'all already know what I do. I already washed my hair probably like the night before. I was tired and I was like, I don't feel like doing this, okay? So what I did, I just detangled it, you know, moisturized it, all that jazz. But you can saw my hair how I had to twist it up. I kind of knew I wanted to do this style, so I kind of prepped the twist in advance of how I wanted the hair to be parted. So a lot of times if I don't feel like doing my hair that night or that day or whatever, I'll kind of prep my hair in advance of the style. So when I sit down and style it, boom, we already done, okay? So you saw I just went ahead and parted it, got it together. So I can get ready to, you know, do my sleek braids with a little bit of pizzazz, a little bit of flair, just a little something, something extra, okay? So I'm just sitting here throwing all these clips in my head because we don't want hairs traveling from other sections, do we? Absolutely not. We have to have things crisp, neat, and beautiful, okay? So what you see me do right now, wait a minute, let me get a sip. I done said a lot. Okay, so since I'm doing the sleek 2 braids with a little bit of flair, I went ahead and parted my hair on the side, just, you know, to separate the hair out to get ready for, you know, what I was about to do. I was about to throw some little braids up there, so I had to get the hair prepped and ready to go for that, okay? In preparation for that, I went ahead and just twisted the section down so I can get out the way so I could tackle the rest of the mane that was on the side, okay? So what you see me doing here is basically I'm just trying to get all the hairs out the way so I can just focus on this one little section here. Boom. So I went ahead and just twisting them up, just sped past. Yeah, I can just see all that, but you get the idea, right? Just twisting them out the way, paint them over. So boom, we can get into all of this. All of this. So then what I decided to do, since I want just a little bit of a flare, I decided to part the hair straight down. I mean, I did like a little bit of an angle, but just, you know, give it a little more pizzazz. You know, I was kind of tired. This is a quick, easy style way I'd like to do my hair when I'm just like, you know what, girl, we gotta do something. Boom, quick and easy way to do so. Now, I know I didn't show you guys how I parted all of them. If you just stay tuned, you'll see how I did it. But you know, I had already followed up with my curl activator cream, my olive oil, and boom, what? Styling foam, you already know. Got the hair prepped and ready to be cornrowed, okay? I went ahead with my little detangle brush just to, you know, make sure everything was detangled because we're about to go ahead and braid this thing, okay? And so you see me here, just going ahead and just braiding straight up in the air. And that's what I did. And so for those next 3 sections, I'm gonna do those nice 3 braids, same process on each individual section that's gonna be cornrowed straight up in the air. Curl activator cream, olive oil, and my fave styling foam, just to make everything nice and crisp and nice and sleek and as beautiful as I love my hair to be. Okay. I bet. So here I am just finishing up that second one, getting into it. And so what I made sure to do though, when I did the braids going straight in the air, I made sure to braid well beyond the section, because as soon as I finish this third one, you know, we're gonna do that straight braid going straight back down. So I needed to make sure that everything would look like it was braided straight up into the braid, and we going into that. Now boom, I'm getting ready to do this third one, okay? Do a little jam on it. You gotta get a little jam on it, okay? You gotta slick down those edges and make sure things was, you know, looking good. I like my edges slick. Some styles, especially for a style like this where it's supposed to be sleek and shiny and smooth, I make sure I pay extra attention to my edges just to make sure they look just the way I want them to look, okay? Okay, and so back, as soon as I got them edges together, I went ahead and cornrowed straight up in the air. Simple as that. right, boom. So you see we have made progress, okay? We're almost done. Like, we're almost done. You can see how quick this style really is, okay? And so those other two sections that I went ahead and twisted out the way, I'm going to pull those down and get them ready for the one big braid. The one big braid. Go ahead and moisten the hair with a little bit of water. Go ahead and detangle it and make sure everything is nice and smooth. All the hairs are going in the direction that I want them to go, okay? Gotta make sure I get everything nice and slick right here up in this part line, okay? Now what we're doing, I want to go in with a little more curl activator cream because this is a lot of hair. I just wanted to make sure everything was nice and moisturized since, you know, all my hair is being, you know, re-moistened and all this kind of stuff. So just a little bit more, a little dab would do you, you know? Detangle one more time because I gotta cornrow all this hair, so I need everything to be nice and detangled. You already know, gotta go on with my styling foam. That was what an orange size amount. Didn't play. Just make sure the hair was nice and saturated because it's gonna make it a lot easier for you to braid. It makes it a lot easier when I'm braiding all my hair together if I have the styling foam. So be generous with your products, okay? All right, boom, and as you can see here, I'm just going ahead and cornrowing the hair straight down, being sure to include the 3 braids. You know, they going up into the big one. Well guys, I hope you are enjoying this video so far. If you are loving it, if you are enjoying seeing me do my hair, if you want to see more videos of me doing my hair, you know what you can do, right? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you'll be made aware of whenever I drop a new video, okay? I drop them every week. So come back so you can watch them, all right? All right, I just went ahead and continued to braid, and I know you probably like, girl, okay, you get into the back of your head. We can't see the back of it. I got you. Give me a second. Let me just get through this one. I'm gonna show you the back. I'm gonna show you the things that you might have missed in the beginning with the second braid. I'm gonna show it to you, don't worry. But look, you see that? It's already makings of a good style. Already the makings of a good style. I'm halfway cute right now. Right now on the screen, halfway cute. So I went ahead and just detangled the ends because it got a little bit tangled, you know, as I was cornrolling down that particular section. And I go ahead and do me like a nice little free braid. Make sure that's nice and sleek and beautiful and like I like it. And boom, we're gonna be done with the first side. Ooh, child. Now look, I'm almost out. But okay. Let's go ahead and get into this one. So guess what I'm gonna do? The same thing, okay? Now this side is a little more challenging because, you know, I kind of like freehanded those parts. So now I have to do my best to try to make the 3 parts on this side look like the 3 parts on this side. I think I did a fairly good job, but that'll be probably the only difficult part of this style. Just trying to make sure the parts match up and look about the same, okay? But you know, if you serve them face this way, or if you serve them face this way, they won't see the other side if you messed up. So just keep that in mind. So boom, as you can see here, you can see how I parted those actual 3 braids. And basically what I did is just twisted the hair up a little bit and just pinned it up out the way. And you saw me do like a little quick check. Girl, gotta make sure they look the same-ish, twin-like, you know. And then boom, I went ahead and braided it. I sped through because you had already seen it. I didn't think you want to see it again, okay? So boom, you see what I'm doing right here? I'm making sure I braid beyond this section because why? Those 3 braids gotta go where? In the main braid, okay? So boom, you see me here, just going ahead and start that main braid. I use the same products that I used before. And now I'm braiding, okay? Now we Now here's the back side of the head, just so you guys can just have another view of how I braided and how I went down my head. Boom, just cornrowed it all the way down, got that bottom section together, and we got a braid done. All right, boom, so now we finished the braids, okay? Now what are you doing, Kaya? What are you doing now? I'm just putting a little styrofoam on my hair, right? I'm gonna take my scarf, wrap that Jane up tight, okay? So everything can be nice and laid down, okay? Setting that joke for 30 minutes did something. And girl, when I took that scarf off, Oh, okay. I see you. I see you with the braids. Okay, with the back view. Give it to them, girl. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my braid tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, see you later. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.